When you fail publicly online, whether a video didn't work, you made an error, or you received negative comments, it feels heavy, exposed, and embarrassing. We feel small and we think people will remember us only for that moment. In the digital world, everything stays visible, and that makes it even harder. But remember, what people see is only one moment, not your whole story. The bounce back effect means your ability to recover, learn, and grow stronger after falling down. It is not about never failing. It is about how you stand up again. People who succeed online are not those who never made mistakes. They are the ones who treated failure as data, as lessons, and as a step toward better work. Every great creator, influencer, or expert has a long list of failures behind their success. Here is how you build that strength. 1. Accept it without judgment. Say, I made a mistake and it is okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. 2. Separate your work from your worth. Your video, your post, or your mistake is what you did, not who you are. You are still learning and growing. 3. Look for the lesson. Ask, what can I improve next time? What did I learn about myself or my audience? 3. Look for the lesson. Ask, what can I improve next time? What did I learn about myself or my audience? 4. Start again, but wiser. Use what you learned and make something even better. That is your real power. In the digital world, courage is not perfection. Courage is trying, failing, and trying again with more wisdom. People don't admire you because you are perfect. They admire you because you are real, you try, and you keep moving forward. That is the true magic of growth. Your failures are just chapters, not the whole book. You have the power to bounce back higher and stronger. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Curious Mind Library. Let's learn and grow together. See you in the next story.